Our company has been successfully manufacturing pharmaceuticals for various purposes for 20 years. We follow the development of science in the field of pharmaceuticals. We analyze and implement new technologies. We constantly update our product line. At our enterprise, we have various equipment for production of medicines, from granulator to self-adhesive labels automatic line. 5 years ago, our plant joined a major holding company for the production of medicines and biological supplements in the Krasnodar region. The accession gave us the opportunity to increase our production capacity and upgrade our equipment. I have been working as a chief technologist for 10 years and know all the technological processes well. I made the choice of new equipment independently, agreeing it with the management before purchase. It was not an easy job. There are a lot of equipment on the market. The geography of manufacturers has expanded. The competition has increased, which in turn has affected the quality of the equipment. In order for the products to comply fully with hygienic requirements, it was necessary to take the choice of equipment seriously. We decided to renew the machine for preparing and mixing powders, which was not achieving a homogeneous mixture of powders, and was breaking down. There were many mixers at the exhibition, from different manufacturers, from all over the world. At the exhibition, I took contacts from their representatives of 2 companies, which could, according to the catalog they presented, produce a variety of configurations of machines for preparing and mixing powders. When I returned to the factory, I began contacting representatives of the equipment manufacturers by telephone. A company from Germany could only make a cylindrical mixer, but asked me to come and sign the contract in person. Unfortunately, I could not travel to the European Union, as I did not have a visa, and the visa process would have taken at least 3 months. I could not do it by myself. This put my confidence to rest a bit. I planned to find a specialist in equipment supply, who would give me good advice and be able to deliver the machine within 2 months. I decided to look online at companies that supply pharmaceutical equipment. I wanted a professional who had been in the pharmaceutical equipment supply business for a long time and had positive customer reviews. I chose 3 of the most presentable companies. I looked at the company's time in the equipment supply market, the company's website, and the machine delivery terms as criteria. I phoned all the companies to be sure of the manager's professionalism. The specialist of one company said to wait for 5 minutes, but never listened to me. I didn't like this attitude to the customer. The manager of another company talked to me politely, asking questions about the necessary capacity of the mixer, the terms of production. After 5 days, I received 8 different machines from them in the mail, and an offer to make a choice on their own. I realized that they did not have a professional approach, and they would not help me in solving the problem of finding the equipment. The last, 3rd option of the intermediary from Moscow turned out to be successful for me. The manager, a man, talked to me like a professional. He asked me specific questions about the purpose of the mixer, the raw material to be mixed, the required productivity. During the consultation stage, he selected automatic equipment for preparing and mixing powders. I decided to carefully study the proposed option, and if I liked it, I agreed with the management. The company specialist emailed me the technical data sheet and operating instructions for the preparation and mixing equipment. I carefully studied the capabilities of the mixer and its characteristics, looked at the reviews of the proposed equipment on the internet, and came to the conclusion that it was a good option. The machine was acceptable in terms of features and quality. Within a week, we made a contract for the delivery of the equipment. The manager informed us 2 weeks in advance if the machine was ready. The machine was delivered within the specified time. After installation, we were able to evaluate the quality of the equipment. High-tech machine made of stainless steel. A corrugated hose connection between the units to move the powder. Easy push-button control with the function of indicating the preparation and mixing parameters. Levers for opening and cleaning the elements of the equipment are provided. We were satisfied with the automatic equipment for preparation and mixing of powders, recommended and supplied by the manager of this company. In any case, it is better to go to a professional, and then your task will not seem so difficult. People think that everything is easy for professionals in their business, but I am sure that such professionals work to make us continue to think so.